Hello everyone, welcome to the C channel.
You're a superhero.
So today we have a different setup because today I will do an unboxing of this, which is a Nano mist sprayer. So let's first see a quick unboxing of the product, then we will take a closer look at it. Okay, so now coming to the small unboxing video of this product. As you can see, this is the box with all the specifications and the product features and how to use this product. So now let's open this box. As you can see, this is the product. Have a closer look. We have a micro USB port on the bottom. Okay, let's keep it aside. Let's see what else do we get. So we get this micro USB cable also, which is used to charge this thing. So now let's do a charging test. First of all, we need to plug this thing here. Now I have one of my power banks here, and now we will plug this thing right here. As you can see, a red light has started glowing, so this indicates that it has started charging. Okay, so this was the short unboxing video of this Nano mist sprayer. Okay, so now we have filled it with some hand sanitizer, and now let's test this thing. As you switch on this button, just a single click, a mist starts coming out. As you can see, it's actually it's the spray coming out in the forms of nanoparticles. So now let's test it on some surface. So now we come to the real world usage of this Nano mist sprayer. So let's start. First of all, take your smartphone and take this Nano mist sprayer about 10 cm away and press this button, and the mist will start coming out. Just spray it all over your phone. Now just wipe it with your cloth. Now you are done. Okay, so this was the real world usage of this Nano mist sprayer. So this thing comes with a plastic build quality, which is quite good for the price, and it has also a 200 mAh battery, which provides a very good battery life of 30 to 45 minutes. So the price of this thing is 250 rupees in the offline market, and I will also provide you the Amazon link. Bye bye.